How to fix Google AI Studio not working. In order to fix Google AI Studio not working, you could try a couple of these steps. First thing first, you could try using or you could go ahead and use it in an incognito mode. Open up your browser and you want to open up or tap onto the three dot icon right at the top, and you want to go to new on incognito tab and type in AI Studio or aistudio.google.com, and this way you should be able to fix. Now, other than that, you also want to make sure to verify account and regional eligibility. So Google AI Studio has strict age and regional requirement. Even if you are in a supported country, your account settings may be triggered or blocked. So you must be over 18 or just go to the Google account verification to explicitly verify your age with an ID or credit card, as the often result access restricted error as well. And make sure to check the regional, ensure your country is in an available regional list. If you're using a VPN, you could try disabling it, or if you are in an unsupported region, some users find success switching to a US-based VPN as well. If using a work or a school account, your administrator must manually enable access to Google AI Studio as well. Now, other than that, you could also try cleaning your data browser. Tap onto the three dot icon, go to settings. Here you just want to go ahead and locate the clear cache section, and that should be able to help you out. You also want to make sure to temporarily disable all sort of extension if you're using, that might also be able to fix. So this way you should be able to fix your Google AI Studio not working. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.